Hello YouTube and welcome back to another Vanward Customs video. Now I want to talk briefly about some wheels and tires. This set of wheels and tires arrived to me in a fairly non-traditional standard. I was at the Arciatic compound for their last Winter Series comp. There was a Chinese auction, they were on the table, and I thought, wow, my son needs this set of tires. I put a bunch of tickets in, landed them, and now here we are. These are the J Concepts Fling King mud tires, and they're a very, very scale looking, true to scale kind of design for a mud truck. The wheels are Spare Time Hobbies monster truck wheels or mud truck wheels. I will provide a link to both down in the video description. What I'm going to do with them is I'm going to take this really beat up old honcho that used to be a club truck that we would rent out to people who were interested in trying out crawling in our area, and I just install the wheels on there. The only modification that was made was to remove the front bumper and to move the body posts as high as humanly possible. Then I'm going to take it outside and let my son beat on it in the mud and have a blast. So join us along the way as he goes and rips this beast through the mud and has some great times. Hey guys, while I have you, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the channel. You see, this isn't the only kind of content that gets put out here. I do a weekly live interview series called Live at 9:45 every Thursday night at 9:45 Eastern Standard Time with various different people in the Scale RC community. Whether it is master builders, highly competition oriented people, event hosts, you name it, I'm putting their info out there for you guys to kind of see what they do, how, and why. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button and that alert bell, please do so that you can get alerted to all of the great content that is yet to come. Thanks guys, and until next time, I'll catch you all later.